Hello, Standard 10, going to teach biology, and I am going to discuss today the circulatory system, in which we will discuss about the RH factor in blood. Means what things in the circulatory system we have discussed. We have discussed in detail about the composition of the blood. Means fluid part, that is plasma, and the cellular part. In the cellular part we have discussed about the RBC, WBC and platelets. And the role of platelets in blood clotting we have discussed. We have also discussed about the blood group. Okay, in blood group we have discussed about the blood group A, B, AB and O. O is the universal donor and AB is the universal recipient. Universal donor and universal recipient. That we have discussed. Why it is called universal donor and why it is called universal recipient, that also we have discussed. Okay, and one more thing which I have to say, that was about the RH factor. RH factor. So, what is RH factor? What is RH factor? First, it was seen in a monkey, and the name of that monkey is rhesus monkey, in which this factor was present. So, short of the rhesus, RH was written. Now, if RH factor is present, the person present, this factor present, then positive, absent, then negative. Okay. Now, if present, then it is positive. If absent, then it is negative. It means in all the blood groups, A, what will be there? A either positive or negative. In B, either positive or negative. In AB, either AB positive or AB negative. O, either O positive or O negative. That is clear. Means in each blood group, this RH factor, if present, it will be positive. If absent, it will be negative. Now find out what is your blood group and what is RH factor. Now, why we are discussing this? Not knowing. Why we are discussing here? See here. If donor is B positive and the recipient is B negative, any problem will arise? If I am B positive and you are B negative, I can give blood to you or not? Very interesting, man. Yes, first time, no problem. First transfusion, no problem. Second transfusion, may lead to death. Why? Why it will lead to the death? First time, no problem. What will happen when B positive gives blood to B negative? The B negative, the recipient, will develop antibody. Will develop antibody, and this antibody will kill the cells. The cells will be damaged next time. This antibody, when second transfusion is done, then the B positive blood cells will be killed, will become sensitized, will react, and it may lead to death. Very clear or not? Same is the case between a husband and wife. Suppose husband is B positive and wife is A negative. Any problem will arise? No problem. No problem will arise. No problem in first child, first baby. If they will have a baby, one baby, no problem. But if the wife conceives second time, baby in uterus will die or abortion. Why? Why second time the baby will die? Same will be the case. This, in what case? If the baby is B positive, if baby is B positive, baby may take mother's blood group or father's blood group, anyone, which will breed in higher class. Very clear or not? Now, why it will same be the case? Since the baby in the mother's womb is B positive and mother is A negative, in this case, mother's blood will become sensitized. First time only, it will become sensitized and it will develop antibody, and next time when the lady will conceive, will become pregnant, then that antibody will kill the cells, embryo, and abortion will be there. Understood or not? So, before settlement of marriage, this medical certificate is far better comparing to other things. Today up to this much. Thank you very much.